We'll be installing a cold air intake, as you guys can tell by the title. So, as usual, the eBay special, you feel me? All right, so it's pretty much in there. It's tight. Go give her a little test ride. You guys ready? And we're gonna see if we can hit this freeway exit. Sideways. Oh! What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing good today. You guys can tell, another rainy day, you feel me? We barely got any sun like yesterday. Anyways, on today's video though, today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working on the Tahoe. Yes sir, the Tahoe is finally gonna get a little love. Nothing crazy, like I said in the last video. It's nothing crazy, but it's overdue. It's been needing it. We'll be installing a cold air intake, as you guys can tell by the title. Here's the intake, the box right here. Yes sir. So I actually went with the same one that I went with the step side, this black one right here. It helps keeping heat out because chrome holds a lot of heat. So that's why I went with this one, and I like the way it looked on the top, on the step side. So we're gonna slap it on the Tahoe now. I already know this is my my 2004 Tahoe. It is running on flexfueled, as you guys can see, E85. But she don't look too bad. She look good, don't she? I like the yellow fogs on there, little details it has on it. You see the 40K trans cooler too. Stop playing with your boy. You know what I'm saying? It's got headers, it's tuned, and that's pretty much all it has. Pretty ashamed of how I have it right now with the intake setup. It came like this. I never did this to it. I never bought this, but it came already like this. So it's gonna make a difference because it's not even a cold air what it has on there now. So this cold air is gonna make a difference for sure. You feel me? So let's start it off with a little cold start for you guys. You guys can hear what the Tahoe sounds like on cold starts. It's nothing loud like the other ones, but it's throaty, you know what I'm saying? It sounds beefy. But yeah, let's get you guys a little cold start. She needed that little bit of love, that little extra love. Daddy. Say what's up, buddy. What's up? She needs that extra love, you know what I'm saying? So let's get you guys a little bolt start real quick. Bolt start. There it is, y'all. Cold start on the Tahoe, on the hoe. Not bad. She's not super loud, but she sounds good in my opinion. You see it? Tuned by the best, boy, peak torque. Oh, you see that muffler down there? It's a Velocity Performance muffler. What y'all think of the Tahoe, man? Drop in the comments. So we start working on the Tahoe a little bit more, or what? Y'all want to see some more Tahoe content? I know there's a lot of I know there's a lot of SUV owners out there that like, you know, modding their trucks and stuff like that. If y'all want to see more SUV content, let me know, and I'll try to work on it a little bit more, just some more stuff to it, more details to it, you know. I do got plans for it. I do want to build it completely like a, you know, like a complete build, stall, posi, diff. I want to do the whole thing to it, but it takes time and money. So we're going to get there eventually. Y'all know we're going to get there eventually, but let me show you guys what she's working with right now. All right, y'all. So I know, please don't run your trucks like this. This is very bad on me for doing this. It hasn't been too long like this. It's been a couple days since it fell off, but as you guys can tell, it's not even a cold air intake. It still has this little skinny ass freaking restricting air stuff right there, and the only thing it had was the filter part, and it's dirty. So this thing is not breathing right. It was not breathing right. So we're gonna hook it up today with a cold air intake and get her breathing right the way it's supposed to, and then we're gonna wait on my boy Peak Torque Innovations for the tune, so we could get this thing retuned, and then we could get the Cholita retuned on the E fans, because we're still waiting on that. Same day that he comes and tunes the Cholita, we could tune the Tahoe for the cold air intake. So let's go ahead and get this cold air intake started. I did go with, as usual, the eBay special, you feel me? Instead of spending 150 or 170 on a Spectre or on a K&N, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't get me wrong, they're brands, they're good, but it's literally just an intake. And what really matters is how big it is, the tubing. Some of them come with 3-inch tubing. You don't want 3-inch tubing, you want 4-inch tubing. So this is the same one that I'm about to put on the Tahoe, the one that's inside that box. You ready, buddy? Okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, y'all, so got the intake off. Obviously very easy. Just unclamp the one there, unclamp it from over here, and it's off. You guys can tell it's right there. Stocky thing. This thing is no good. It just restricts air. Only thing I'm gonna need from here is a master flow sensor. Obviously, that's something I need. And since it was running without the filter on there, it was directly just getting a lot of A lot of debris and nasty stuff in there. I am going to clean it with some master flow sensor cleaner before I put the new intake on. That way it's clean and it's not reading all dirty, because then it'll start throwing the truck off. All right, y'all, so I got the box in. So the way I do it is I put this little slither underneath of here. These two holes are on top of this, so this one's in there. So it's pretty much in there, you know. You put these bolts. I did lose the nut to the third one, so I'll find it and I'll put the third one in there, but that's in there. It's in there like swimwear, boys. All right, y'all, so I have forgotten that when I ran this intake on the step side, I ran into some complications. What I had to do to be able to run this intake on the step side is I had to use this little part right here, this gum rubber is actually from the factory intake. So I had to run that in order to get the master flow sensor to hook onto this part of the intake. And then obviously this one comes here with the intake. So this is where I'm at now. This is the one that comes with the colder intake kit. These kits are actually not meant to run with a master flow sensor, and so obviously we need a master flow sensors. Thankfully, this little metal thing came in the Tahoe, the original intake that came in the Tahoe, and I was able to put it inside of here, tying it down with this clamp. Now the problem that I'm having now is this. Let me show you. Yeah, so it's loose. So this is literally how it's supposed to go, and it's loose. So what I did is somewhat like I did with the step side is I used the original rubber. I actually cut it off. I cut it off this end here. So this was originally in here. So I cut it off. So now this is gonna slip in here. So bam, there it is. It's all the way in there. I still need to tighten this one down, but as you guys can tell, it's all the way in there. So now it actually adds like a thickness to it. So now I should be able to slide this in there with two hands, obviously, and get it to be snug. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys where I'm at. All right, y'all. So it looks like it's on, but it's still not on. It's loose. Just kind of got it on so I can show you guys. So I got it how I was showing y'all. Obviously, I used the little plastic or the little rubber part that came on the stock one to hold this clamp down. This one clamps down onto the actual intake. And then that's pretty much it. I got it in there. I just got to tighten up all the clamps. Oh, what y'all think? This thing looks good, don't it? Look at that. Now the Tahoe needs an engine bay cleaning, which I'm going to take care of next. Give you guys a startup and some revs and all that good stuff. All right, so it's pretty much in there. It's tight. That ain't coming out no more. The only play it has is like here, but it's no big deal. At least to me, it's not a big deal. Why? Because it's aftermarket. That's the way that aftermarket works. Aftermarket doesn't always fit the best, but you can make it work. So as you guys can tell, I made it work. It's on there. It ain't coming off. This is not coming off. This is not coming off. That's obviously not coming off. It's all tying down. So what y'all think? It looks pretty good, don't it? I would say so. So let's fire her up and give her a couple revs and see what it sounds like. Here we go. The check engine light is on because of the O2 sensor, so don't mind that. It's not on because of the cold air. There it is. There it is, y'all. I wish I could rev it from here, but it's a electric auto body, so I can't rev it manually, you know. So I'm gonna go in there and rev it real quick, see what it sounds like for y'all. Sheesh, y'all fell down, but I'm sure y'all heard them sucking noises coming from that cold air, boy. She working, boy. It's running good though. Now let's go give it a little test drive. But there it is. Put these little rubber things it comes with. Had to cut it off right there. Had to split it, you know, just the bottom to get curved like that. But there it is, y'all. Cold air intake is done. Beautiful engine bay from the step side, you feel me? If you guys aren't familiar with it, this is my step side. You guys can tell. Step side version. It's a 5-speed. I just got done doing the flex fuel sensor on there, right there. Install video and pin video is on my old video. So if you guys haven't already, go watch the video where I teach you guys how to pin and install an E85 sensor along with the 50-pound injectors and all that good stuff. Just recently did the E-fans on the Cholita. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go see the video where I teach y'all how to pin the E-fans to the PCM so you guys can install them. Giving y'all a whole bunch of game, you feel me? Free game for y'all. You guys gotta watch the video, share, repost the video. Shares and reposts really help. You guys don't even know it. It really helps when you guys repost and share my videos. Helps a lot. Go give her a little test drive, see what she feels like with the cold air, you know what I'm saying? Listen to this thing. Tahoe loving it. Tahoe loving that cold air, boy. See what this shit do like. I know it's gonna feel different. I can already feel by the throttle acceleration. Oh yeah, boy. Damn, that shit makes a difference. Ooh, hey, I ain't even full throttle. God damn. This cold air making a difference. I ain't gonna lie, this thing's pulling. Ooh, These ain't even full throttle. God damn, this thing is pulling. Let me give this little thing a little gap between me and the Prius. I'm gonna drop it down to first, put tow haul on. You guys ready? First gear, we're gonna do about 3,500 RPMs. You guys ready? Ooh, yeah, this Tahoe's moving, y'all. God damn. Sheesh. Y'all see the Tahoe, bruh? Y'all see it? This thing is moving. This thing is moving for an SUV, bro. I be telling y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Doing stuff like this makes me excited, bro, because now I want to keep modding. I want to add E-fans on this thing next. I know E-fans are going to make this thing a big difference. Really, a stall converter would make this thing a world of difference. A stall converter would make this thing launch and pull so damn hard. But stall converters are expensive, so we're going to do that a little later on in life. You feel me? But E-fans will probably definitely be coming soon on the Tahoe. We're going to give it another pull for y'all. Second gear, 3,500 RPMs, 50 miles an hour. Let's go. Y'all ready? Full throttle. Full throttle. Woo! Damn, bro. Y'all see the Tahoe, bro? Man, if y'all got SUVs, y'all better start modding your SUVs, bro. Put a cold air in there, throw E-fans on there, headers, a tune, E85. You'll see this thing's running. Ain't even tuned on the cold air. I know it's gonna run even better once I tune it on the cold air. Oh, we're sliding. What the hell was that? Y'all see that? It kept sliding and it would stop and it would keep sliding and then it would stop. I ain't gonna lie, I caught that on video. That was funny. Sheesh! I'm having a blast in this thing right now, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Let's see if it'll get sideways again. It only does it in second gear. A little bit. Damn, the Tahoe running, y'all. This thing is running, bro. This thing is running. Here we're getting onto the freeway. Wow. Full throttle. Still full throttle. Y'all see a little baby 4A pulling? Stop playing with it. Stop playing with the baby 4A Tahoe. I'm gonna get myself a little distance from these trucks. And we're gonna see if we can hit this freeway exit. I hit this already in the step side here. I haven't already seen it. But here we're gonna hit it again in the Tahoe. Hopefully I can do it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? The Tahoe sideways. Oh! Woo! Bruh, I can't believe I got that on video, kid. Sheesh! I almost had it and I spun. I ain't gonna lie, it's hella hard doing it with one hand. One handed is not it, guys. This thing just wants to get sideways, right? Hey, I can't believe that shit just happened. Hey, I can't believe I just caught that on camera, bro. I almost smacked that damn Impala that was there. I ain't gonna lie, I was like this close to smacking it. Sheesh! I'm weak. Hey, y'all seen it though? I was hitting that exit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Doing it with one hand in the rain, it's not hard. I could do it, but that weight of the Tahoe suddenly just, you know what I'm saying, it kicked out, and I was not expecting that shit. So I had to back out of it, because if I didn't spin out, I probably would have ended either on the Impala or the cars that were stopped there. But yeah, you guys can tell this thing just wants to slide, bro. The Tahoe is moving. Man, this thing is just ballsy. It's crazy what a cold air intake can do. If you got a stock airbox in your truck, swap it out, bro. When eBay cold air like I did, and watch how you gonna feel with that truck once you start driving it. you won't get throttle happy. You don't want to be on the throttle all the time. It sounds good when it sucks in the air, and then it just, bro, it works. It's performance, you feel me? This thing is moving. I don't care what anybody says, bro. The cold air intakes make a difference, especially when they're tuned. I haven't even tuned it. Wait till I tune it. It's gonna feel even better on the tune. The Tahoe's gonna move even more on the tune, bro. So, and then I may even do a burple or a crack pop tune on the Tahoe too. So stay tuned, y'all. Y'all gotta stay tuned for the videos. I'm gonna keep dropping content. I know the step side's down. I know y'all want to see the step side. I know you want to see me kill some tires and all that stuff, but you know what I'm saying? There's other mods I could do to my trucks to keep the content coming. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep dropping content. I'm gonna keep dropping fire content for y'all. I know y'all like to see me slide, so maybe one of these days I'm gonna go out there and kill some tires for y'all, or just go slide, and you know what I'm saying? So I know y'all like to see that. But let me know what y'all thought of today's video. Let me know what y'all thought of the Tahoe and the colder intake install. There it is, y'all. Give you guys a couple revs with it again. Tahoe, this thing revs up quick now. Like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, brother. Cold airs make a difference. It made a difference in the step side, and it made a difference in the Tahoe. So I know for a fact cold airs make a difference. So I figured before the video ends, I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs of the Tahoe so you guys can hear what the Tahoe sounds like on the outside of it. You feel me? So I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs. What y'all think? Not bad, huh? The Tahoe is not too bad. She sounds good. Must have mod. I'm just gonna pop open the engine and make sure nothing fell off. You feel me? Just to be on the safe side. But y'all see it, bro. Y'all seen it firsthand, bro. Y'all seen my reactions firsthand. The cold air made a big ass difference in the Tahoe. Well, I'm gonna show you guys. Nothing came off. Everything's still there. Solid, bro. Stop playing with your boy. Solid. User, and this thing right here, not even hot at all, bruh. Not even hot. These are hotter than this is. So those colder intakes work, trust me. They keep heat out. But that is gonna be the end of this video though. So let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. We got fire content coming. We ain't gonna stop the content coming. It's gonna keep on coming. Make sure you smash that like button. Hit that like button for your boy. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Let me know if you guys like the mod. Hopefully this motivates you guys to do the colder intake install on your truck. If you haven't already, most trucks already come with it even when you buy it. So you feel me? But if it doesn't, you have a stocky air box, get rid of that stocky air box and throw yourself a colder intake. You feel me? You ain't gonna regret it. So I know for a fact I don't regret it. All three of the trucks have colder intake. The Cholita has a chrome one, which I don't really like, but it already came with it when I bought it, so it is what it is. I'm not tripping. Maybe one day I'll go to the black one as well. So that is gonna be the end of the video though. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.